Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Notice our mullein plant. It started down here at 3.5 feet. That's 4, 4.5, 5. It is now up to 5.5 feet. It is growing really fast. It's developing the 2 flower heads. One plant putting up these 2 stalks, 2 flower heads. Today I want to do something that will be amazing if I can accomplish it. Let's see if we can fire roll this dying mullein leaf in jute. The reason it would be amazing is because jute can be tricky even for wood ashes. It's going to have 3 cords in it. Of course, you'll separate those out first. Direction I twisted it this way to get the 3 cords out. Now to get the fibers out of each cord, we'll twist it back the other way, which this is the other way. So making sure that you have about the same thickness throughout. And I'll probably take about 2 inches by 1 inch. That's not what that looks like, but it'd be about the same area. Something else that makes jute difficult for fire roll is the batch processing oil that is within the fibers. They use it in the manufacturing process. So let's give it a try. See what happens. Oh, it's not even hard enough to roll yet. Sometimes if you keep using the same top board, it'll keep getting slicker and slicker, and you need to scrape that off of there. Let's try some outside fibers that we know will work with a mullein filter. It's about 1/2 inch by about 3/4. Let's give it 20 or more forward strokes, which I call preheats. I can already smell that it's ignited, but we have to turn it 180 degrees to loosen it up to let that ember grow. Y'all stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you what I requested for a Father's Day present. It looks like there's another ignition right down there. Oh, I've never seen one go to flames before. Did you see that? That's a first. I don't know why it did that, but I'm glad we got it on video. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Here's a Father's Day present that I requested. It is a Fan-AO water hose spray nozzle. F-A-N-H-A-O. It came out on top on Project Farm's review that he did of several of these spray nozzles. And so there's the jet shower, which I would have expected the shower to be more gentle than that. Mist, full, cone, center, and flat.